Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Virgo friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So these are your friends Virgo, and let us look at your oracle cards first. Your first card is the Shapeshifter. Okay, so this month is a month where it is difficult for you to stay very stable in this month. It will be a month where you will feel like being kind of unstable. Actually, it will be an unstable energy. You will feel that the month is elusive, even though it will be a vibrant energy around you, a great sense of humor, great happiness around you, but unstable. Kind of, you'll get a feeling that the month feels slippery. It is not something you can hold on to. Even you yourself will be in that kind of a mood where you don't want to abide by rules. You want to stay non-committal. You want to not give any commitment for something. You'll see things change colors. You'll see things in different colors this month. So all in all, very vibrant. Lots of things happening, but not a stable energy, continuously shifting energy. You will also you will be in a very, in a mood that is continuously changing. Your energy will be continuously changing. So that's your first card. Yeah, but you will be adaptive. So that is a good thing. Okay. Now, next, again, oracle card for you is the Grasshopper Spirit. Take a leap of faith. Nice, because this card definitely speaks of the next stage in life. next level of life actually. So better things are coming for you, more beautiful than you could have imagined. Wonderful things are coming for you, but you will stay a little unsure to move into that new beautiful place or new beautiful things, situation that life is offering you. Now this card says that just hang on, have faith, and leap forward, because luck is with you. Lady Luck is shining on you. Whatever is coming up for you is very beautiful. So just have faith, trust your intuition, and take that leap. Life will take you to a very much better position, much better situation. And your next card, last oracle card, is the Prairie Smoke. Liberate. What reminds me that I am free? I'm not surprised to see this card, because here with the shapeshifter, you want to stay free. You want to stay non-committal. You want to not commit to anybody, to anything, any cause, any work. So you want to do those things which make you feel free. So you will end up feeling like a free bird in this month, and kind of even if there are things where commitment is needed, you will do your own thing, because it'll make you feel good. It will make you feel not bound, not chained. So that tells us a lot about the kind of mood you will be in June, Virgo friends. And now that our oracle cards are out, we will look at our tarot cards to see what else is coming in general in life, and then in specific areas of your life. Your first card is the Page of Wands. Lovely page energy, fantastic. Second card is the Four of Swords, okay. And third card, the Four of Coins. So a couple of fours here. So instability, lack of stability, and then stability. So okay, so some of you may have had possibly some physical injury in the past, health issues in the past. So in this month you will relax and rest. Probably for some of you that may be the reason why you don't want to commit to something, or you are unable to commit to something. So you will take your time to rest and recuperate. If you need to go to a doctor, please go to a doctor, because this is not a good month to mess around with your health and take things lightly. You will get stronger. Basically, whatever has happened in the past, now you will be moving towards better energy, better strength, good health, better health. You will rest a lot. For some of you, you may have had some slightly negative approach, or feeling not very positive, feeling a little pessimistic in the past. Now is the time when you will move again towards optimism. That pessimism will kind of take a pause for now. Good month to feel that okay, I have everything that I need. So that is there. Some of you may actually look for and get a change of job, change of career, or some of you may have already changed and you will be kind of trying to stabilize yourself, even though I don't see too much stable energy in this month, but you will try to kind of find your way around your new job or your new career. Some of you may want to pick up a new hobby. So lots of new things coming in, but also rest, recuperation. Some of you may go on a vacation. I see that if you're not taking a vacation, then you're taking rest. So these things are there. Now the next we're going to see is what is your mind frame like, mindset like, mood. We Are the World, your first card. That's a good card. It's feeling good, connected with people, connected with everyone and everybody around you and everything around you, feeling like you're part of the whole. Good, complete feeling, happy feeling, playfulness, another card on playfulness. So you are already on an optimistic note this month, and internally also feeling happy, wanting to experiment and being playful, treating things cheerfully, basically. Ordinariness. I see you enjoying the simplest of pleasures of life. Even the simplest of things will give you happiness this month, Virgo. It could be just a cup of coffee with a friend, or probably maybe just a stroll in the park, just looking at flowers in the garden. Little things will make you happy. You will be close to nature this month. Okay. Next, we will look at the 3 different areas of your life. First area is finance, for which you pulled up the 6 of Cups, which is a very good card. So financially, a good month, comfortable month, also a month where you would want to spend on and splurge on your loved ones. You will buy gifts for the ones you love. You will express your love by spending on people and children and your pets. That will be your way of saying that, okay, I care for you, okay. And you will also feel loved because people around you would spend on you. So very good month for finances. Not only that, the finances will be good, but you will put them to good use. Next, let us see what your career will be like, the Fool card. Now, I'm not surprised to see this card here, because I was really wondering, with this kind of non-committal energy, with this kind of, not shifty energy, what would work be like. So, you are being optimistic, you are being a risk taker, but you need to be sure of things. Basically, be a little careful about how you proceed. Otherwise, this energy could, and this excess of optimism, and you may feel that it's okay, how I'm going forward is okay, but others may not feel that way. You may feel it's okay to be non-committal or to be in this mode, but others may not feel that way. So you need to be careful. Otherwise, there may be some repercussions which you're not gonna like. So be careful in your place of work. Be careful, tread carefully, and risks are fine, but commit to whatever you would need to. In terms of work, it will have an adverse effect otherwise. Now, last card for you will be love and relationships and married life. So that's the 6 of Swords. So I say that for those of you, for whom relationship or, equation with your spouse has not been so great, this month will see a shift in that. You will move towards positivity now. You will leave the negativity behind you. And it is also possible that you may have been feeling, you may not have been seeing each other so positively of late, kind of fault finding, kind of not liking what the other person is saying or thinking or sometimes even doing. So that kind of a thing is something you will be able to now move away from and move towards a more positive outlook and a more positive perception of your partner. If you're looking for help, you will get that from your partner. And also maybe for some of you, if a relationship has been rocky, then you can get external help. That's possible. It'll help your relationship. So that is your reading, Virgo friends. I wish you all the very best for this month. Do take very good care of yourselves, and I will see you in another meeting. Bye bye.